Welcome to Film IT with Mr. Filmer at DSI Technologies. This will be for follow-up. I use this quite a bit for adding reminders. Let's say this email, I want to reply to it, but I want to reply to it tomorrow, or I need to do something tomorrow, or need to find out an answer for something. What I can do is click on follow-up, add reminder, type in your reminder. So reminder tests, we'll say get a PDF file, etc. And tomorrow, obviously, will be Saturday. Now, that's not a business day, but we'll say at, let's call it 11:30. You want a reminder to pop up at 11:30 to remind you to whatever your reminder is. You would simply click OK, and you're set. Tomorrow, the actual reminder will then pop up on your screen at 11:30, and the Outlook icon will start flashing, and this reminders window will pop up. For example, these are all some of mine. As you can see, these are all ones that I've had reminders for, and these are ones that I need to follow up on at future dates. So that's what the follow-up is for. You can also just simply tag it, and so you can follow up later that same day, tomorrow, next week, if you just need a general reminder to go ahead and make sure you get that taken care of. Thank you very much.